Why net worth gets crazy after 100K. In today's video I try to discuss how it exploit wealth after get first 100K. So, coming straight to the point. The first reason of craziness is the economic scale, which plays a crucial role as a concept of economics. Talking about wealth, when it's growing steadily, it's like a calm, placid lake. It makes only slow ripple spreading across the surface calmly, while adding each dollar. But once you cross the critical threshold 100K, it's the moment that's the turbulence form, like dropping a colossal stone. Surging waves outward in every direction, transforming the lake into a roaring ocean. It's what make us understand that our size of the investment make us that much of return. As simply say, when you save $100 on 7% annual interest, may get $7 as the return after a year. And when it's $1,000, $70, and for $10,000, it's $700. When it applies to business world, high-scale businesses leverage this economies of scale to reduce their costs and increase profitability. In practice, Amazon and Apple often negotiates better deals with suppliers due to the sheer volume of their purchases. This helps them cut down on material costs, which lowers production expenses and increases their profits, and also possible for open the doors to exclusive investment opportunities, like private equity, hedge funds, and real estate ventures, which making higher returns often to accelerate wealth, but which typically out of reach for the average investors. The next reason is the most financially powerful compounding interest, the eighth wonder of the world. Let's see how it happens when it comes to savings. For $10,000 on 7% interest, a year after gets $700. When it to get achieve the initial $10,000. $10,000 divided by $700 takes nearly 14 years or more. In compounding, according to the formula, P is 10,000, R is 7, and N is 1. Then in first year we get $10,700. Like Y second year we get $11,449. Fifth year $14,025. 11th year $21,048. In 25th year we get $50,723. Here, you can reach your first $10,000 in 11 years, quit a long time. But the second $10,000 in 6 years, shortened by 5 years, the third $10,000 in 4 years, which vastly reduced by 2 years. This is how the investment grow exponentially, by the compound interest over time. The most wonder is, when you're working with millions, the effects make more dramatic. As third reason, it's the shift of income-based wealth to capital gains. This is tiding of the income of salary, wages or small business profits, to stocks, real estate or major businesses. An article of Brookings revealed that the top 0.001% of earners derive a significant portion of their wealth from capital gains rather than direct income. Warren Buffett, often called the Oracle of Omaha, started his journey to wealth at a young age, making money through various jobs and small business ventures. However, Buffett in his wealth journey quickly took action to shift from relying on earned income to generating capital gain, realizing he could build more wealth once he hit 100K. This made him begin investing in stocks and buying businesses focusing on long-term value rather than short-term income. This transformation made him today to be a successful businessman into one of the richest individuals in the world. As final reason, it's important to mention the role of financial advisors and wealth managers. Once individuals cross the $100 million mark, they often employ teams of experts who manage and grow their wealth. These professionals employ advanced strategies like tax optimization, estate planning and risk management to ensure that wealth not only grows, but is also preserved for future generations too. Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, relied heavily on a team of mentors and consultants throughout his career to build his wealth and revolutionize technology. Early on, he sought advice from figures like Mike Markula, Apple's first investor, and a key mentor who helped shape Apple's business strategy. Steve Jobs also surrounded himself with a team of talented executives and consultants, including design visionary Johnny Ive, whose influence was pivotal in creating iconic Apple products. By leveraging the expertise of these mentors and consultants, Steve Jobs transformed Apple into one of the most successful companies in the world, amassing significant personal wealth. Hope you gained something, and expect your comments to develop my channel. Also, your sharing and comments make evaluate of the stability, which to bring fruitful discussions. Thank you so much.